Hi guys! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening kung nasan man kayo sa Pilipinas ngayon. I hope you guys are all thriving. I just wanted to thank you all guys for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Talagang nakakataba po ng puso and I'm really happy that, mas lalong napupush forward yung goal ko which is really to help, aspiring VAs through this channel by sharing my knowledge, my experiences as a virtual freelancer. And for today's video, I'm going to answer a question that I received from Facebook, no, because people are DMing me. I'm not an expert in terms of creating a portfolio, but the question was, sabi niya dito, shout out kay Rain. Good evening, how to create a portfolio? I would like to apply work from home, please help. So hindi niya naman nasabi ni Rain if meron na ba siyang experience or work experience or it's a new one. But anyway, let's assume na it will be a newbie or aspiring VA. So I'm going to walk you through kung paano gumawa ng portfolio. And ayun, ang daming tutorial dito guys sa YouTube na you can explore further. But this one is the very realistic one. Say for example, wala talaga kayong experience creating it. You can stay tuned on this video. I'm going to walk you some practical steps. And also, ano nga ba yung portfolio na tinatawag? Usually yung portfolio guys is an additional like implemental thing that you can send into your clients, no? So aside from your CV, you can also put in your portfolio. Say for example, graphics designer ka, meron kang mga designs, you can put it there. Say for example, website designer ka, pwede mo ding ilagay dun yung mga portfolio list of the websites that you have created. And say for example, social media manager ka, like if meron ka ng mga contents that you have created, you can put it there as well so that the client can see kapag nag-send ka ng application sa kanila. So, it's not parang hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na it's a list of your experiences because ang experiences mo naman is nasa CV, but it's more of a proof that this is what you can do to clients when you apply with them or when you work with them. So, you can show like your latest Canva designs. Yun, kung meron kayong 1 week content calendar, pwede rin kayong gumawa ng ganon. Sample email or outreach format kung lead generation kayo. And tracker, pwede nyo ding ilagay doon if meron kayong mga sample tracker. So, my next tip would be make it like simple and clean, easy to scan. Even your CV, pero let's discuss the CV some other time. On your portfolio, you should also make it simple and easier to read. So, pwedeng ang content dun is like a short intro, kung ano yung services na ino-offer mo. If you have, again, the visual examples, tools that you use, or applications that you use, and syempre yung contact details mo nandun din sa iyong portfolio. And position yourself as helpful, not just skilled. Yun yung pinaka-importante doon. Kasi you can be skilled, but if you cannot kung hindi naman swak, how can you help? Diba? So, yun. I'm going to walk you through without further ado. Punta tayo sa screen ko guys. And hopefully, this tutorial or this video will be able to help you to create your CV and your portfolio. And sa tutorial ko guys, I will show you how to create on Canva and how to create on Cloud AI. Eto guys, mga super duper bilis lang to. Like in 10 minutes, kaya nyo makapaggawa ng inyong portfolio. Baka less than 10 minutes pa nga. So, let's get in. So, ayun guys, let's get into it and see you on my next one. Ayan guys, so welcome to my screen. Thank you for tuning in still. So guys, eto yung aking portfolio using Canva, no? So, kung makikita nyo, yung portfolio ko is more of like in paragraph form. So, ganun talaga kasi ako magsulat guys. I really want to make my client feel na I'm real And most of the times, I make it that it's really, really very personal, heart-led, na may human touch talaga. So, kung gusto niyo ng ganung style or strategy, okay lang din. So, yan. In here, meron na akong brief bio kung ano yung mga experiences ko as working in my entire career. And then, dito sa next one would be what sets me apart aside from the other candidates. I really wanted that to stand out. And yung next one would be the list of clients that I have already worked with and clients' testimonials. I also included my clients' testimonials here and the way they can contact me. So guys, hindi ako masyadong magaling when it comes to designing, no? I really, really have a basic idea of how to design uh, in Canva. So, heavy user talaga ako ng mga templates and that is fine. Pero ang ginagawa ko is syempre nire-reinvent ko naman yung template, hindi ko kinakopy lahat. So I still make sure na I still have yung final say kung ano yung gusto kong mangyari dun sa template. And kino-customize ko siya according to my taste naman. And when you create your portfolio, you don't need to have like the best portfolio or yung, alam niyo yun, yung inaantay nyo maging perfect yung portfolio nyo. Basta nandyan na lahat yung details na kailangan nyo. Just go through it and send it. And guys, sa Canva, pwede nyong ilagay siya as a website. Hosted yung website nyo to like, my Canva site. So, parang ganyan. Pwede nyo gawin yan. So, later on, isushow ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa. So, ngayon na pala, isushow ko na ngayon. So, first of all, syempre, i-finalize nyo muna yung content ng inyong portfolio. So, paano nyo siya mapa-finalize? Syempre, ilalagay nyo yung brief intro about you. Ilalagay nyo din yung mga like portfolios nyo. Like, dito hindi ako naglagay. Kasi ito yung pinakauna-una kong mga, alam nyo yun, mga ginagamit pang send. Wala pa akong experience niyan when it comes to Canva. Masyado. So, kung makikita nyo, bare lang yan. And why? Kasi, ang target ko dyan is more on lead generation and also sales post. So, hindi naman masyadong kailangan ng, alam niyo yun, hindi naman masyadong kailangan kong i-show yung mga proof ko when it comes to Canva, ganun. So, okay lang yun. Ngayon, anyway, let's go through kung paano kayo makakapag-create. So, sa Canva, guys, pwede kayong mag-create niyan. Few minutes lang. Kung kaya nyo mag-design ng sarili nyo, you can go create your own design. But if not, go to templates lang, guys. And pwedeng presentation. Tignan nyo to, guys, portfolio. Lagay nyo lang dyan, portfolio. Tapos, magbibigay na siya ng mga templates. So, bahala na kayo kung anong portfolio yung gagamitin nyo, guys. Kung gusto nyo maging creative yung portfolio nyo, pwede nyo ding ilagay dito na virtual assistant. Tignan natin na kung lalabas niya. So, sabi ko less than 10 minutes to, guys. Ayan. O, diba? Ayan. Try natin, kunwari. Eto. Sorry. Ayan, guys. So, sa Canva pala, merong mga free naman kung sakaling wala kayong subscription sa Canva. Meron mga free naman na template. So, say for example, kung walang ganito, ibig sabihin diyan naka-premium. So, may mga free templates din naman na pwede nyong i-work out na lang. Ayusin nyo na lang siya. Pero kung sakaling naka-ano naman kayo, naka-premium, which is like 300 pesos ata in a month. So, kung kaya nyo makapaglaan ng ganun just to create your portfolio, pwede naman. Tignan nyo ito, ang ganda ng portfolio na template din na to. Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo dito, meron na yan. Pwede nyo na yung i-edit out, guys. Kung ano yung ginawa niya dyan. You can have your name here, you can have tagline, kung may gusto kayong tagline, kung ano yung, make it really personal, yung sa inyo talaga. Huwag nyo lang i-copy-paste. And pwede nyo yung i-change yan ng mga colors. Kung say, for example, gusto nyo light blue yan, o pwede nyo i-change. Kung hindi naman, okay lang din. Pero lagay nyo din dito yung picture nyo, syempre. And then, yan, may about me. Makikita nyo. What can I help you with? Or yung mga services na ino-offer niya. Next is tools and software. Usually, maglagay kayo ng mga logo dyan, ng mga tools na kaya nyong gawin. And then dito, you can have like, summarize nyo kung paano nyo ginagamit yung tools na yon. So, like logo dito, and then summarize nyo kung paano nyo gagamitin yung mga tools na yon. How I work. So, paano kayo nag-work? Ito, ang ganda ng portfolio na to initial consultation, task set up and workflow alignment, ongoing support. Oh, wow, nice. Pricing and work availability. Ayan. Lagay nyo na yung price nyo dyan. Minsan din, pwedeng hindi. Okay lang para naman mapag-usapan nyo yun on the next one. Ayan, may mga case study pa siyang nilagay dyan, testimonials. Okay lang kung walang testimonials ng clients. And then, ano to, end na? Ayan, end na tong isa. And then, ang pwede nyo gawin is i-share nyo yan, download, kunwari naayos nyo na siya, di ba? Share nyo or download as a PDF file. Ayan, so, ganyan. Tapos, i-download nyo lang as a PDF file. Or, pwede nyo din gawin yan as a website. So, paano nyo siya gawin as a website? Paano ko ba ginawa yung sa akin sa website? Try natin. Ayan, gawin nyo siyang website. Tapos, mag-send siya sa inyo ng URL info. So, i-fill up nyo lang yan. So, dito kayo. Kasi sa akin, iba din yung isa eh. Okay, tapos publish nyo na lang yan. So, ganun lang kadali gumawa ng portfolio dito. But what if, siguro, sasabihin nyo sa akin, paano yung ilalagay ko, ano yung content na ilalagay ko. Guys, madali lang yun. Go get help using, syempre, ChatGPT, no? Yan, mag-prompt kayo sa ChatGPT. Pwede nyo sabihin, just be more specific. Say, for example, I need to create my portfolio using Canva. And I need help in the content. I am a new virtual assistant and I do, say for example, lead generation, general na lang. General virtual assistant that can specialize in social media management. Kunwari, gusto niyo mag-social media, lead generation, executive VA. Yan. Lagay nyo na lahat ng nyo guys, apps or tools na pwede nyo gamitin. I am familiar with using almost any apps, tools like monday.com, Closer, AI, LinkedIn Sales Navigator, Calendly, Notion, Canva, lahat na lang ng kaya nyong ilagay guys. And then, also include my sample works. Ganyan. Tapos, i-enter nyo na guys. Kaya na ni ChatGPT yan. Pero, guys, gusto kong i-emphasize sa inyo na, kaya ni ChatGPT, pero, lagyan nyo din ng konting personal touch, guys. Huwag yung nilaan nyo na lahat na gawin ni ChatGPT. So, ayan guys, nilagyan niya na ako. So, yan na yung pwede kong ilagay as a content dun sa portfolio ko. I-edit ko lang yan ng paunti-unti. So, ganun yun. And, guys, kapag kunwari gusto nyo mag-show off ng inyong, ano bang tawag nito? Say, for example, gusto nyo mag-show off ng mga proof ninyo, and wala pa kayo sa ngayon, what I do suggest is that, guys, pwede nyo gawing mock-up yung sarili nyo. Say, for example, habang nag-apply kayo, ayusin nyo yung Instagram nyo, ganun. I-try nyo i-manage yung inbox ninyo, yung emails. Pwede nyo din gawin na gumawa kayo ng sample designs para sa sarili nyo, like building your own, portfolio online. Ayusin nyo. Or pwede din kayong gumawa ng mga mock-up designs. Say, for example, gusto nyo gumawa para sa isang restaurant, ganyan. So, mag-create kayo ng mga mock-up samples and yun na yung pwede nyong ilagay as your proof, no? Or as your design. And aside from that, guys, pwede nyo ring gawin at yung idea nyo or yung design nyo as a proposal to client. Just make sure na hindi niya makukuha yung file niyo, like protect it, ganun, or make it public only as for viewing, parang ganun. Kasi syempre, ayaw nyo naman na magkaroon kayo ng libreng work kasi nga, yun nga yung dahilan nyo kung ano, di ba? Kung bakit nyo ginagawa yun. Pero pwede nyo siyang gawing case study yung client na ina-applyan nyo. So, for example, gumawa kayo ng content schedule para sa kanya. Ito yung visualize nyo para sa kanya. Gumawa kayo ng proposal and make it very presentable through a presentation. And tas yun yung ilagay nyo as a sample din to your portfolio. So, yun yung tips, guys, na pwede kong maibigay sa inyo na talagang mag-hit ng, alam nyo yun, mag-hit sa mga clients. Kasi, syempre, alam nung client na ni-research nyo siya and that you are prepared working to him or her, di ba? So, yun. Okay, so tapos tayo dun sa tawag nito, sa Canva. So, next thing na gagawin natin is punta tayo ng cloud. And yung cloud, subukan natin na gumawa ng tawag dito, portfolio using it. So guys, gawa lang kayo ng prompt tulad nito. Ito ginawa ko to sa ChatGPT din, pero prompt to using Cloud AI. And try natin kung paano niya gagawin. So dito, dahil nilist ko na yung prompt, ang gagawin ko is mag-a-add lang ako ng photos, guys. Wait lang i-add ko yung picture ko. Oops. Okay. So, ito, simple to. Very simple. Okay. So, create. Enter natin yung prompt. Kasi sabi ko less than 10 minutes, pero ang daldal ko kasi, guys, kaya umabot na ako ng more than 10 minutes, no. Pero pag gagawin nyo to, guys, saglit lang din yan. Ang mahirap lang kasi is because we're trying to be perfect, guys, and gusto natin perfect. Pero, alam niyo yun, because we're really pushing forward na perfect yung portfolio natin. Parang sobrang tagal bago natin magawa. Kasi nga, palit tayo ng designs, paulit-ulit tayo, iniisip talaga natin. That's fine, that's normal. Pero, reach to a point na eto na talaga yun. And huwag nyo nang patagalin. Basta, check nyo yung mga grammars, errors, ganun. Ayan, habang nagdadaldalan tayo, guys, sineset up na ni Cloud AI yung presentation para dun sa portfolio ko na ginawa. So, kung gusto niyo nung prompt na to, guys, just comment down below prompt para isend ko sa inyo yung prompt. No, ganun na lang gawin natin. So, comment below prompt. So, lagay ko dito, prompt. Ayan. Para isend ko yung prompt na yan sa inyo. Isisave ko siya, tapos isisend ko siya sa inyo. Okay. So, ayan. Wait lang natin, guys. Few minutes lang yan. Sabi ko, few minutes. So, ayan. Ayun. Tapos, nung unang-una ko din, guys, na nag-a-apply, hindi ko din alam talaga kung anong gagawin ko. And, I'm not really sending the portfolio pa before. Parang, ano na lang, nung mga sumunod na, like, araw, tsaka ako siya, sumunod na araw. Like, parang 2 years pa before ako gumawa ng portfolio. Kasi nga din, natatakot din ako na gumawa ng portfolio kasi nga wala akong sample or experience. Pero guys, naaalala ko, sa Upwork ko, gumawa ako ng portfolio and yung mga ginawa kong showcase ng designs doon is yung mga designs na ginawa ko pa nung college, guys, which is really awkward. Parang ewan ko kung anong gusto kong mangyari nun. Pero kung makikita nyo, guys, na try ko. Try nating hanapin habang inaantay natin tong aking cloud. So, ayan, Shilady, Kinto, Upwork. Meron din kasi akong Upwork account, guys. Kaso, hindi ko alam, Shilady, ano ba to? Kinto, Upwork. Profile. Ay, wala. Wala ata, guys. Hindi ko ma-search. Anyway, pag makikita nyo yung ano na yon, ayan. O, kita nyo, guys. O, diba? Ang bilis. So, ang gagawin ko, guys, is, ita-download natin to, syempre. Download. Da-download ko lang yun. Syempre, pwede ko na yung i-edit, guys. Ganun lang kadali gumawa ng, ayan, sorry dito dahil mayroon analysis akong ginawa. So, eto, pwede ko na siyang i-edit. Ayan. Pwede kong baguhin yung kulay niya. Pwede kong, alam niyo yun, pwede kong tanggalin. Siyempre, yung M dashes, guys, tanggalin nyo yan kasi ibig sabihin, created yan through, alam nyo na, ChatGPT or any tools. Ayan. O, kita nyo. Ayan, guys. So, yun. Ganun lang kadali gumawa ng portfolio. So, pwede nyo yung i-share. Wait. Pwede nyo gawin, save as PDF na lang. Ayan. Downloads. Save as PDF. Save. Yun, ganun lang kadali, guys. Meron na kayo kaagad na portfolio online na pwede nyo i-share with your clients, di ba? Hindi na kayo masyadong nahirapang mag-design. Ayusin nyo na lang, guys, and tanggal-tanggali kung gusto nyo baguhin yung kulay, baguhin nyo siya, guys. Kung gusto nyo magdagdag ng picture or ibang pictures, pwede nyo din gawin. So, Cloud naman has a free version din, just as long as hindi nyo ma-reach yung limit. And I'm going to talk about it sa mga susunod kong tutorial. But, yep, so this is the tutorial that I have for you. I hope you guys learned something from here. And yeah, till my next one. Hi guys! So ayun, dito na nagtatapos yung tutorial natin for today's video. And again, thank you Rain so much for sending that question, and I hope that I was able to help you. And again, if you want the prompt that I use using my Cloud AI, just send in or comment below prompt so I can send it to you. And yun lang guys, I hope you learned something for today's video, and if you like this one, please click like, or please do click like and also share, and also just do subscribe para ma-notify ulit kayo kapag meron akong bagong videos na ginawa about being a virtual assistant. Okay.